Good afternoon, my friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. The Internal Revenue Service has just made a big announcement. The agency is about to pay out billions of dollars in interest to millions of Americans. This could mean an even larger relief check very soon. SNAP beneficiaries could also see an extra benefit boost this month. So friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card. Remember, friends, that the next giveaway is scheduled for tomorrow.
We've built a strong economy with a strong job market. And I agree with what Chairman Powell said last week, that the number one threat is the strength, and that strength that we built is inflation. So the Fed should do its job, and it will do its job, I'm convinced, with that in mind. Now, as I said when I came to what Congress and the President can do to fight inflation, Americans have two potential paths forward. The first is my plan, the Democratic plan put forward by congressional Republicans as a second alternative. Here's how each of us would tackle inflation. My plan is to lower everyday costs for hardworking Americans, and lower the deficit by asking large corporations and the wealthiest Americans to not engage in price gouging and to pay their fair share in taxes. The Republican plan is to increase taxes on the middle-class families, let billionaires and large companies off the hook as they raise prices and reap profits at record amounts. And it's really that simple.
An understaffed and underfunded IRS has been struggling to get millions of Americans their tax refunds for months now. Now those taxpayers waiting on checks will see a little bit more in their wallets whenever their payments eventually arrive. The Internal Revenue Service has 45 days after a return is filed to process it and pay out a refund, after which the agency has to pay interest. As of April 1st, the interest rate for individual filers, which is tied to the Federal Reserve's benchmark rate, is ticked up from 3% to 4%. A recent Government Accountability Office report found that the IRS paid almost $14 billion in interest over the last 7 fiscal years. Nearly a quarter of that was paid out in 2021 alone, when the IRS paid $3.3 billion in interest, due in large part to the ongoing disruptions and challenges that the agency has been experiencing since this crisis. But interest payments may just be a drop in the bucket for the millions of Americans still waiting on their tax refunds. Last week, the IRS disclosed it had a backlog of 9.6 million unprocessed tax returns. It did not specify how many of those were at the 45-day mark, but said that the number includes returns received before the year 2022. Another reason the interest payments are getting larger is because of the extensions granted by President Biden in 2021. While taxpayers were allowed to file late, the refund deadline was tied to the original tax day, giving the agency even less time to process a return before interest started accruing. Refunds can be an important economic lifeline for taxpayers, especially lower-income ones. Filers who were still waiting on 2020 refunds in February told Insider News that, without their checks, they were struggling to afford groceries, childcare, and even their homes. If the tax agency had adequate funding, delays in the time poured into the filing season, it could potentially be a thing of the past. Friends, please let me know in the comment section below if you are still waiting for your tax refund. More than 42 million people living in the U.S. rely on the SNAP program to help feed their families. With SNAP benefits, people can purchase several products like fruits, vegetables, cereals, milk, meat, and fish. Each fiscal year, The USDA adjusts SNAP maximum allotments, deductions, and income eligibility standards based on the changes in the cost of living. But for the current fiscal year, which began on October 1st, 2021, there have been some other changes that have affected the amount of SNAP benefits that people and families will receive. Beginning in January of 2021, a temporary 15% boost was provided to SNAP benefits. However, that boost expired on September 30th, 2021. Thankfully, the USDA reevaluated the Thrifty Food Plan, which is used to set SNAP benefits, and increased the purchasing power of the plan by 21% for the first time since the plan was introduced in 1975. And as a result, right after the temporary 15% boost expired, the SNAP maximum benefit amounts increased. Friends, the keyword for this video is Lake Michigan. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Lake Michigan, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, also please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. Emergency allotments from each state, which were separate from the 15% boost, are still in effect in most U.S. states. Then, average SNAP benefits will be approximately $169 per person, as compared to the lesser average benefit of $133. Maximum allotments are the maximum amount of SNAP benefits that a family of 4 can receive. For the year 2022, maximum allotments for a family of 4 increased for all states across the country. This is really great news for millions of Americans, because I know right now is a very difficult time for many, as this crisis is still ongoing in our country. And I hope that our lawmakers will continue to pass new legislation that will help the American people. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate every single one of you who are watching my videos daily. To say thank you, I'm giving away $75 Walmart gift cards every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter any of the giveaways, friends, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then make sure you comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The winner of yesterday's giveaway is Joni Maxwell. Congratulations, my friend. Please note that if I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page to claim the gift card. Thank you so much, everyone. And please have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.